Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to see or view your Apple Music replay. So let's get started. So it's very simple. First of all, you want to make sure that your device is updated to the latest iOS 18. Once you're sure of that, you may now go back and then go into Apple Music app. So from here, you just want to go for the app right here. And for most of you all, you would be able to see your Apple Music replay right here in the app on the home page right here. Just scroll down and you should be seeing it somewhere here. But in my case, I'm not seeing it because I didn't use this Apple Music on this account for now. This is just for the sake of the tutorial, but this is where you can see it. And another method, if you don't see it right here, is that you can go into your browser, go into replay.music.apple.com. And then from here, you want to tap on the jump in button. So tap on that. And typically, it would require you to log in first, provide your login details. But in my case, I have already logged in, so I didn't need to do that. And from here, this is where you would be able to see your replay right here for your Apple Music. But in my case, I don't have that because I haven't used this right here on this account. As you can see right here on the months, you would be able to see it right here. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can see your Apple Music replay. Thank you for watching.